From bustling city streets to the most demanding off-road trails, the Toyota Fortuner stands as a symbol of durability and adventure. This robust 7-seater SUV has earned its reputation globally, revered for its blend of powerful performance, versatile utility, and unwavering reliability. But how does such a complex machine, capable of conquering diverse terrains, transition from raw materials into a finished vehicle? Our journey today takes us deep inside the cutting-edge factories where the Fortuner is meticulously crafted, step by painstaking step, revealing the engineering marvel that underpins its legendary status and global appeal. Let's peel back the layers and discover its creation. At the very heart of the Fortuner's robust design lies its foundation, the innovative International Multi-Purpose Vehicle, or IMV platform. This isn't just a simple chassis, it's a versatile modular architecture designed by Toyota to underpin a range of vehicles, including the Hilux pickup truck and the Innova MPV. Sharing this common platform allows Toyota to achieve economies of scale in manufacturing, while also ensuring a consistent standard of engineering excellence and ruggedness across multiple models. It's the blueprint that dictates the vehicle's structural integrity and its capacity for hard work, laying the groundwork for the Fortuner's legendary toughness. The journey of every Fortuner begins not with a roar of an engine, but with vast rolls of steel. These aren't just any steel sheets, they are carefully selected grades of high-strength steel, engineered for specific properties. This material is crucial because it forms the very skeleton of the vehicle, determining its safety, durability, and overall weight. High-strength steel provides superior rigidity and impact resistance, essential for protecting occupants in a collision, while also being lighter than traditional steel, which contributes to fuel efficiency. The quality of this initial material directly influences the strength and longevity of the final SUV. Once the high-strength steel arrives at the factory, it enters the stamping shop, a place of immense power and precision. Here, colossal hydraulic presses, some exerting thousands of tons of force, transform flat sheets of steel into the intricate panels that make up the Fortuner's body. These presses are equipped with specialized dies, which are custom-made molds that shape the steel with incredible accuracy. Each panel, from the roof and doors to the hood and fenders, is crafted to exact specifications, ensuring perfect fit and finish later in the assembly process. This initial shaping is critical for the vehicle's aesthetic and aerodynamic performance. After stamping, individual panels converge in the body-in-white, or BIW, stage. This is where the vehicle's skeleton truly begins to take shape. Here, a symphony of highly specialized robots performs thousands of precise spot welds, fusing the various panels together. Spot welding involves concentrating heat and pressure at small points to join metal sheets, creating an incredibly strong bond. The accuracy of these robotic welders is paramount, ensuring structural integrity and rigidity across the entire body. It's a dance of automation, where efficiency meets unwavering quality, laying the groundwork for the Fortuner's inherent strength and safety cage. While the body is taking shape, a separate line focuses on the Fortuner's robust chassis. Unlike many modern passenger cars which use a unibody construction, the Fortuner, true to its SUV heritage, employs a body-on-frame design, specifically a sturdy ladder frame. This frame, resembling a ladder, is constructed from heavy-duty steel sections welded together. It's designed to provide exceptional torsional rigidity and durability, crucial for off-road capability and carrying heavy loads. This separate, strong backbone is what gives the Fortuner its renowned toughness, allowing it to withstand severe stresses that would overwhelm a unibody structure. Once the body-in-white is fully assembled, it undergoes a critical process to protect it from corrosion, electrodeposition, or e-coat. The entire body is submerged into large tanks filled with a specialized primer paint. An electric current is then passed through the bath, causing the paint particles to adhere uniformly to every surface, both inside and out. This creates a highly durable, anti-corrosive coating that penetrates even hard-to-reach areas. This layer is fundamental for the Fortuner's longevity, especially in diverse climates and environments, safeguarding it against rust and ensuring its structural integrity for years to come. After the e-coat, the Fortuner's body moves into the paint shop, a highly controlled environment to prevent dust contamination. Here, multiple layers of paint are meticulously applied. First, a primer surfacer evens out the surface. Then comes the base coat, which provides the chosen color, applied with extreme precision by robotic sprayers to ensure uniformity. Finally, a clear coat is added, which not only gives the Fortuner its glossy finish but also acts as a protective shield against UV rays, scratches, and environmental damage. Each layer is baked at high temperatures to ensure durability and a flawless, long-lasting finish, ready to brave the elements. While the body is being painted, a separate production line is dedicated to assembling the Fortuner's powertrain, its engine and transmission. The engine, the heart of any vehicle, is a marvel of precision engineering. Skilled technicians and specialized robots work in tandem, assembling hundreds of components. From the meticulous placement of crankshafts, pistons, and connecting rods within the engine block, to the precise installation of the cylinder head with its valves and camshafts, every step is crucial. This intricate dance ensures that when the engine finally roars to life, it delivers the power and efficiency expected of a Toyota, ready for any challenge. Adjacent to the engine assembly, the transmission takes shape. This complex mechanism is responsible for transferring the engine's power to the wheels, allowing the driver to control the vehicle's speed and torque. Whether it's a smooth automatic or a robust manual, each transmission unit is carefully constructed. Gears, shafts, clutches, and intricate electronic controls are assembled with exacting standards. The precision here is paramount to ensure seamless gear changes, optimal fuel efficiency, and the durability needed to handle the varying demands of both on-road and off-road driving. It's the critical link between raw engine power and the Fortuner's actual movement. This is one of the most exciting moments in the Fortuner's creation, the marriage ceremony. After separate journeys through the paint shop and powertrain assembly, the beautifully painted body is carefully lowered onto the completed chassis frame, which now includes the engine, transmission, suspension, and axles. This delicate but precise operation requires perfect alignment. Once seated, the body is securely bolted to the chassis, forming the complete vehicle structure. This union is a testament to the incredible precision throughout the factory, as two complex sub-assemblies come together flawlessly to form the rugged foundation of the Fortuner. With the body and chassis united, the Fortuner begins to transform from a bare shell into a comfortable and technologically advanced cabin. This stage involves the meticulous installation of the interior components. Wiring harnesses, the vehicle's nervous system, are laid out, followed by the dashboard, steering column, and instrument cluster. Seats, door panels, and floor carpeting are then fitted, ensuring a premium feel and ergonomic design. The infotainment system, with its navigation and connectivity features, is carefully integrated, bringing the modern conveniences that drivers expect. It's here that the Fortuner's interior truly takes shape, ready to embrace its passengers. As the interior comes together, the exterior components are added, giving the Fortuner its distinctive and formidable appearance. This includes fitting the doors, fenders, and tailgate that were painted earlier. The intricate headlight and taillight assemblies are installed, followed by the grille, mirrors, and bumpers. Finally, the wheels and tires are mounted, giving the SUV its stance and readiness for the road. Each component is fastened with precision, not just for aesthetics, but also for aerodynamics and safety. It's at this stage that the Fortuner truly looks like the vehicle we recognize, a powerful and imposing presence. Before a single Fortuner leaves the factory floor, it must undergo rigorous quality control. One of the first critical tests is the initial engine start. After receiving its vital fluids, engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, the engine is carefully started for the very first time. Technicians listen for any irregularities, checking all systems. Following this, the vehicle moves to a dynamometer test, or dyno test. Here, the Fortuner's wheels are placed on rollers, allowing the engine and transmission to be run through various speeds and loads, simulating real-world driving conditions, all while monitoring performance parameters. This ensures the powertrain operates perfectly before ever hitting the road. Water ingress can be a major issue for any vehicle, especially an SUV designed for various environments. To prevent this, every Fortuner undergoes a comprehensive water leak test. The vehicle is driven through a simulated heavy rain shower, where high-pressure water jets bombard the body from all angles. Inside, technicians meticulously inspect every seam, seal, and window for any signs of water penetration. This rigorous test ensures that the cabin remains dry and protected, safeguarding the interior electronics and materials from moisture damage. It's a testament to the quality of the body sealing and assembly processes, ensuring durability in all conditions. The final stages of quality control involve detailed visual inspections and a conclusive test drive. Experienced inspectors scrutinize every inch of the Fortuner, checking for any cosmetic imperfections, paint defects, panel gaps, or misalignments. They ensure that all interior functions, from window operation to infotainment responsiveness, are flawless. Finally, each Fortuner is taken for a test drive on a dedicated track, assessing braking, steering, suspension, and overall driving dynamics. This comprehensive final check ensures that the Fortuner meets Toyota's stringent quality standards, delivering a perfect vehicle to its future owner. With all tests passed and every check marked complete, the Toyota Fortuner, now a gleaming, powerful machine, finally rolls off the assembly line. This moment signifies the culmination of thousands of hours of precision engineering, advanced robotics, and dedicated human craftsmanship. From raw steel to a fully functional, adventure-ready SUV, the journey is one of meticulous detail and unwavering commitment to quality. The Fortuner is then prepped for distribution, ready to embark on its own journey to dealerships and, eventually, into the hands of owners around the world, continuing its legacy as a truly global and dependable vehicle.